Hey guys, hope you're well. This is just a new channel that I've decided to put together, more of like an informal thing, just where I just like to kind of share things that I've made and built. It's really just a hobby at this stage, more than anything. So yeah, like to start off with, this is something that I built just the other day, and it's a bot that will automatically send me the highest performing reels from our trend finder, and it will send them through once per week. So the trend finder I've kind of gone over multiple times already, but basically we monitor about 20,000 to 25,000 Instagram creators, monitoring the reels that they are creating. So we have the accounts database here that stores all of the actual models that we're tracking. This number goes up every single day. There's 16,000 here. You can't see the number, it's out of the frame, but 16,000 pending to be scraped, and in total about 25,000. So this number is going down all the time. These are dead accounts, actually. I need to build a process to delete them. But anyway, we then put that into reels, and then I have my own like ranking algorithm, basically, where we give different weights to different factors, and one of my favorite ones is followers to views ratio. So it is simply the multiplication of how many followers does this have, divided, not multiplication. Play count divided by followers gives us the ratio of, so she has got 6,900% more views than she does followers on this particular reel, which means it's a very high quality piece of content. So I don't like to use Instagram myself because you kind of get sucked into this. So what I wanted is a way for them to be sent through to me automatically, which I have built out here. So the first thing that we do is we take high performing reels. The thing that I want to do is download a video for each of them, and then we add that as an attachment into Airtable. So that is the first thing that we do. We send a scrape. I'm using Rocket API here. My API key is visible, but basically we just do get media of ID, and then we just check that it's gone through successfully. And then I like to just update the video here. So updating the initial video ID, and we put the file URL in, so that field will then get filled. And then the next thing I do is I download a version of the file. The reason that I do that is because Airtable only gives you a temporary download URL, and it basically means it expires, so your image, your video will stop loading. So the better way to do it is to actually download a copy of that file and upload it. The tool that I'm using is Slack, but you can use whatever tool you want. I'm trying at the moment to keep all of my work communications within one application, and that application being Slack. And then you can see that it gets sent here. So here I can see the virality rating, which the higher this number, the more viral it is. But yeah, I can even just come through and press play for you. So if we run this once, it's going to grab the videos. It's going to try to find the reel, because what may have happened is the reel can have been deleted. It's got it in that case. It's updated there. It's going to download the file, and then it's going to upload to Slack, and we'll see a message come through here in just a second. Here we have the next one, saying that new videos coming through. So basically the reason that I want to do this is so that I never need to actually open the Airtable and go into it. What I really want to do is just have, I'm just going to end this here. But all I want is maybe on like days of the week, so I can do on a Monday, for example, at 9 a.m. I send myself a list of these are the highest performing IG reels. V1. The other thing that I do a lot recently is I like to put in like V1 and V2, just so if I end up cloning this this workflow, I can then just change it to V1.1, and I remember which one to work from. So you can see the additions that you've made, and as you keep adding and improving things, you end up on like V1.1 to like V 5.9 or 6 on some things, which means 60 different variations of something that I've built out. So yeah, again, like the purpose of this channel, it's literally just to kind of, I think people get a lot of kind of inspiration by seeing the ways that other people are using automation. So that's the only thing of what I'm doing here, just sharing a couple of examples of various things that I'm automating across my businesses and interesting things that I'm building out for my personal life as well.